Oh, YouTube na naman yan, YouTube. YouTube.
Hey, you're singing yung Calvin looks so silly. Dilim mo, dilim.
We're going to...
Mamayaman.
English! English!
Hello, good teaching everyone. My name is Happy Rodriguez na Royal age is my graduation. And I graduate as a Bachelor of Science Business Administration.
Oh, man.
Major in Management at University of the Philippines.
And then?
What is your experience? I graduated as Bachelor of Arts in Reflexology. Major in Massage. May message mo kay Jason.
Yes.
Hi Jason, kumusta ka na? Ay baka siyempre
English!
Papa, I love you.